Let me show you how to make delicious jollof rice without seasoning cubes at all. Number one, your meat stock, very important. Add the spices listed. Measurements will be in the caption. Then you add water. Now, this next step, normally I roast it in the air fryer, but this is another method for those who do not have air fryer. Boil your pepper with your meat, and the flavor will be infused into it. Then blend, and you have your pepper mix for the jollof ready. And of course, you know the meat, I'm definitely going to fry it in the air fryer. So that aside, add your oil to the pan, add your diced onions and fry it. When it is starting to scent very aromatic, add your pepper mix and let it fry very well. Now, I used more pepper mix than needed for the jollof rice. Why? Because I want to use it for the meat. So I'm going to take a portion out of it when it is well fried. Next thing, add your meat stock. Stir it very well. The importance of the meat stock is that it will flavor the rice perfectly. And my meat stock was so rich, I had no need to add any other seasoning to it again. Now, because I was using my paella pan, I wanted the rice to burn a bit, and paella pan doesn't really burn. So what I did was, when the meat stock was absorbed, I stirred the rice deliberately, added a little bit of water, then covered it and put it on low heat. And this produced perfect jollof with the burnt bottom. If you are using your regular pot, you don't need to do that. And there, my meat already stirred in with the pepper mix and the leftover meat stock served on top of the jollof. Perfect. Please try this. You do not need seasoning cubes in your jollof rice at all.